Hello, my people. I greet the followers from Otoshebo Mama who so na dey fine. Now do what so na tell the help me take the share, comment, like, God will bless you. My people, this video I will put on for Namon and watch the full video. Hey, not the way Musa no go see for ghetto. This one a person mama oh hey Afioko D class. This one hey nothing. No shame again oh. No shame again. This woman with a rubber this thing, AK rubber where be say just they carry they like they whether they sell now, if they show people that say they use now. Ah no for her. Can you imagine? This one a person mama oh. Hey, she not there go. Even they do one for social media. Even though say they go do one for street. Not be the same thing. Person where if he come out for national television, come they like carry rubber Gbola. They show am, they use am till they do all these things. E no get shame. Talk less of say person wey can't go for street. Hey, the one wey me dey talk for inside now. Okay, this woman now as they do all these things now for street, una know the way that our country be. No security, nothing. Man wey be say e see and say they do wetin they do so. They go say maybe this woman he need her Gbola. They go rush am put for one corner. Una no nah. They go rush am because the way where you take present yourself, na man go take talk say maybe you need something from me. As far as say na rubber oh, maybe you not like that rubber oh. Make I kuku give you the one where be say na natural. Later now they will say man woman. He can't enter inside tomatoes. Whereas now you they said they go, they said the rubber one they go. As in, not the way we met they think. It not be like the way we met they think. They are when they see say maybe they do one thing, they will say maybe you need something where they with them. They are Gbola. You know understand? Because as far as say you be a woman, especially with this woman now, come they like the hawker they go for street, come and buy use mat till they use mat till the landlord is something till they turn her up and down. They will say maybe you need. Now, no, some people now, before they go just see something, their Gbola go just get up. Mona, sorry, my people. Their Gbola go just get up, you know. So this woman now, where we say they sell Gbola, they go now, Gbola rubber, they go. She no get wetin that they call small shekele shin. Small one, you no get them. Maybe now I still get underage children. One day now they was called use until they laugh with picking. Sometimes maybe people even they think before they do something. One and not verse. My phone like this my stand they sometimes it go just stand, sometimes it go they bend. Maybe they feel they use that until they laugh with picking now. Or maybe picking now. When you go see her, shame not go let her they come out again. Sometimes some women, I don't know whether they even they think before they do something. Pure water there. Some people they sell pure water. Some people they sell ice cream. Some people they sell granola. Some people they sell different things. Must you carry something like this where be say it not good to see for eye as a mother, as a woman? They carry and they go. They use mat to tell the landlord is something. They use mat to tell the twist hand. You know, make I put the video. Make we watch out together. Mona see this woman what they do for roads. This one not be say hi. Now wash out. Some people don't get shame. Shame, they don't know what it is. That's the way Musa no go see. People they watch and they look now wow my people. Now wow, na even see say small pikin even there way be say People where they pass for them now, some men where be say they did there now. Where be say they not get wife, they not get anybody, they not, you know, not understand. If they see we let this one now, pack and carry and draw and go for one corner, they give her for a she give her for a mat, give her. This one now you call the cry say, hey, that's why I did my day. Oh, now they come will let me. When you know the place where you did, say no security, nothing. This one you then you can't do for road. They'll say you need that. Now make you did one. Eh? They'll say you need that. Madam, beg, go try me, you go to sell pure water. Go try me, you go to sell another thing. Try me, they teach people other things where be say person go see the year. Not be, I don't understand some women, sha. Some women shame, they don't know what in me. Whether na waiting then they chop. Because nowadays they don't get that shame for her again. See, Robert, this thing. That time where be say, if you get something like this, shame go there, you don't go talk and come out, or maybe you want to bring her out. Nowadays, they go just they bring her. See where this woman dey now. Not be say na inside house, na road na she dey. She want to they teach people how they tell they do all these things. Me, I don't know whether what they try to do. What they want try to they tell people. Eh? Like their madam where be say that one said they take her for she take her for mat, take her for all corner, where put her for national telly. Maybe now one of you follow and maybe this one. This one don't graduate and be wrong come out. I don't know. Can you imagine, my people? Now this video now say make I break off from now. As I just see this video, the thing weak me. I say, what be this one? Madam, what be this one where they do for road? If they carry you now, they give you they'll say this one a rubber, or come here we give you the one where God creates. They will say, hey, they don't rape somebody. Oh, hey, this woman, so they give her for nyash, they give her for this eye, they give her for a nose, they give her for a eye. Not be waiting she they want, because we know the way men brain till they work. It is different, especially when it comes to that they see woman where be say they do all those things. They'll say maybe he not get who go give her. Make them kukuma carry, make them go give her for one corner. Eh? People they pass, they look and say, what did they do this one? Your head correct. I be na something that you need. If na something you need, come may we give you, we go give you. My people, wonder shall never end. What person not they see? Eh? What Musa no go see for gates? Eh? Or in the name of say maybe you want like me, I don't understand. Even this one where you carry put for hands, so you know they not clean, you know. Carry and they chook for your mats, all the dust where they pass. The one where they say that they sell for supermarket or be where they for the seller, then they cover and then they need some close on. Eh? This one now you go carry now, you go chook for inside your bekus. When you soak and finish, you can't get infection. Now God now go say person. Anyway, my people, thank you. God bless you. Help me to share this video. Do not forget to follow my page Untouchable Mama, backup page Untouchable Mama. Follow me on my YouTube Unto Mama TV. Let me still get her. God bless you. Stay blessed. Bye bye for now.